Today we're looking at an 05 Chevy Equinox. The customer had it at another shop, and the other shop informed them that they had a suspension issue in the back that they weren't comfortable with addressing. So they gave us a call. They noticed that we do kind of specialize in some of the unusual suspension repairs that you might run into. We got the vehicle in, lifted it up, and sure enough, one of the bolts in the rear that holds the bracket that the trailing arm bolts into, the bolt had broke that secures it to the frame itself. We informed them that it could be quite extensive to remove that bolt, get a new bolt in there, and we did offer another solution, which would be putting the bracket back into place and then cleaning it up and welding it into place. While the welding it in makes it a much more permanent solution, they felt like with the age and miles on the vehicle that if they ran into another major repair that maybe there would be time to move on from the vehicle. We went ahead and did the repair, got everything secured back where it should be, making sure that the vehicle was safe to operate in a normal capacity. The customer was very happy with the repair and the price. If you run into an unusual suspension repair that your normal shop or another shop is uncomfortable with, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to get it in here and take a look at it, maybe make some suggestions that would fit your repair needs. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get the information.